friends, welcome back to our channel, where we delve into the fascinating world of meditation and the law of attraction. Today, we have something truly special in store for you, a meditation practice that will help you manifest prosperity, abundance, and all the desires you hold dear. Before we begin this transformative meditation, let's take a moment to understand how our minds work and how this practice can unlock the power within you. Our minds consist of two primary components, the conscious and the subconscious. Think of your conscious mind as the tip of the iceberg, representing only a fraction of your mental capacity. It's the part of your mind that processes around 20,000 thoughts per day. On the other hand, your subconscious mind is vast and infinite, akin to a powerful tape recorder or a personal computer. It records habits, repetition, and acts as a conduit for your higher self, the authentic you, the part of you that guides you with intuitive nudges and creative ideas. Your higher self, the wise and knowing part of your being, communicates with you through your subconscious mind. It shares insights, instructions, and ways to generate income, wealth, and even attract the people and experiences you desire. Are you seeking to unlock abundance and prosperity in your life? Have you heard of the power of mindful meditation? If so, it's time to explore how this practice can help you unlock your highest potential. Mindful meditation is a great tool for self-improvement, spiritual growth, and manifesting abundance. It can also assist with relationships and other aspects of our lives. At its core, mindful meditation is about understanding the workings of the mind and tapping into our higher selves. Our higher selves communicate through our subconscious minds and can provide us with intuitive nudges that lead us towards success. This type of meditation helps align us with two fundamental forces in the universe: electromagnetic spectrum force, law of attraction, and gravitational attraction force, law of assumption. We will talk about this in detail later in the video. When we focus on something specific through thought waves, emotions, feelings, etc., these frequencies are sent into the universe where they find their counterpart frequency particles. These particles eventually become matter that is attracted back towards us based on what we had initially been focusing on or wishing for through meditation and mindset control techniques. Our higher selves will guide us on how this desired outcome comes into fruition, providing infinite possibilities. Successfully meditating requires patience and an open mindset. Understanding how your mind works is crucial here as well. By combining knowledge from both science and spirituality in meditation practices, you will unlock immense potential within yourself, gain clarity, and manifest more beneficial outcomes overall. Therefore, you will attract better quality abundance blessings into your life journey ahead. The key is to focus on what you want, rather than worrying about how it will come to fruition. The conscious mind is limited and cannot figure out the how. It's best to bypass that step by trusting that all will be taken care of if we just take action towards our goals. This is where meditation comes in. It helps us to access our subconscious minds, which are much more powerful, so we can imprint our desired outcomes onto reality loops. To start off, practice this type of meditative breathing. Breathe in through your mouth only, as this allows for more oxygen intake, which amplifies electrical signals within the brain. This helps create an electromagnetic frequency generated by feelings and emotions associated with desired outcomes, which are picked up by the universe and higher self. Practice this type of meditation for 5 minutes a day until it becomes a habit. Eventually, these frequencies will become imprinted upon reality loops. By practicing mindful meditation with Neville Goddard's teachings on the law of assumption, one can unlock their higher selves while manifesting their desired outcomes into physical form, whether they be spiritual growth or materialistic gains. Taking time out each day to focus on what we want, instead of worrying about how we're going to get there, allows us to trust in ourselves, as well as tap into unseen forces that ultimately lead us towards success. But my friends, the power of the subconscious mind and the law of attraction is often misunderstood, leading to frustration and disappointment. However, when we tap into our inner wisdom through meditation and visualization, we open ourselves up to manifesting our deepest desires with ease. By understanding the power of the subconscious mind and using it in conjunction with the law of attraction, Neville Goddard's teachings on manifestation become clear. Our subconscious mind is a powerful tool that communicates with our higher self. Our higher self sends out vibrations in accordance with the law of attraction, bringing into physical form what we desire. Connecting daily with this state will improve your manifestation capabilities by providing the universe with the ammunition needed to bring your desires to you faster. Thoughts are only a part of what creates reality. Feelings play an even larger role as they drive the manifestation process. Feelings create our reality more than thoughts ever can. When manifesting your desires, focus on feeling good rather than just thinking good. If it feels true, then it is likely to come true. Now, let's dive into the fundamental forces that govern the universe, the electromagnetic spectrum force and gravity. These two forces play a significant role in the manifestation process. Your conscious mind produces thought waves and emotions, which are then transmitted to the subconscious. The subconscious, acting as a powerful transmitter, sends these signals out as electromagnetic frequencies, much like a radio station broadcasting its signal. The universe, like a receptive antenna, picks up these frequencies and searches for their counterparts, the physical manifestations of your desires. Whether it's a car, a house, or a new mate, the universe seeks to align your thoughts with their corresponding P-video waves. And here's the beauty of it all. Your higher self, connected to the infinite wisdom of the universe, knows the best way to bring your desires into reality. It orchestrates the how, guiding you towards your manifestations with divine intervention and infinite possibilities. So, my dear friends, as we embark on this meditation for prosperity and abundance, remember that you possess the power to manifest your dreams. Trust in the process. Align your thoughts with your desires, and let your higher self guide you to a life of limitless possibilities. If you're ready to unlock the full potential of your mind and manifest your deepest desires, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community of like-minded individuals. Together, we can create a world filled with abundance and joy. And now, as we reach the end of this profound journey, I implore you to remember the incredible power that resides within you. Your subconscious mind, like a faithful tape recorder, diligently records your habits and repetitions, shaping your reality in ways you may not even realize. It is your higher self, your true essence, that whispers intuitive nudges and affirms your path towards your goals. Think of your subconscious as a personal computer, continuously receiving messages and ideas from your higher self, guiding you on your unique journey of manifestation and self-discovery. By practicing meditation, you align yourself with the fundamental forces that govern the universe. The electromagnetic spectrum force and the law of attraction intertwine harmoniously as your conscious mind produces thought waves that are transformed into powerful electromagnetic frequencies by your subconscious. These frequencies, like beacons of light, are emitted into the universe, attracting their counterpart frequencies, the very manifestation of your desires. You are a magnet effortlessly drawing towards you the experiences, opportunities, and abundance that align with your deepest aspirations. But here lies the beauty, my dear friends. You need not concern yourself with the intricate details of how your higher self, your divine navigator, holds the map to your desires. Trust in this process and have unwavering faith that the universe will orchestrate the perfect synchronicities, guiding you towards the manifestation of your dreams. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey. If you found value in this video, remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Stay connected with our community as we continue to explore the depths of manifestation and self-mastery. May your path be adorned with synchronicities. May your heart be filled with unwavering faith, and may the universe conspire in your favor as you manifest a life of limitless possibilities. Until we meet again, my dear friends, keep shining your light and embracing the magic within.